Even with teens now being allowed to get their shots, the number of vaccines is really starting to outpace the demand, and officials want to push more Americans to get vaccinated as soon as possible. More than 80% of the seniors who live here in Florida have already been fully vaccinated. But there is a huge number of younger adults who have yet to get the vaccine. That, as we are now getting a rare warning from Governor Ron DeSantis. In a news conference today, he says the state may see another rise in COVID cases as early as this summer. That's a question that was asked by our Jay O'Brien. He joins us now with what else the governor had to say. Jay?
Yeah, Jim, the governor said that even if there is that slight uptick come the summer, it won't rise to the level, in his opinion, of something that would overburden places like hospitals. But Governor DeSantis said he is keeping an eye on June as a place where there might be a rise in coronavirus. Governor, on the pandemic, is it your...
We asked the governor if he believes coronavirus is a thing of the past.
COVID does not just go away. There's 1918 flu that's still around.
The governor warning COVID may truly never disappear, telling CBS 12 News he's keeping an eye out for more cases come June.
I think as we get into June, and towards the middle end of June, I think you will likely see the Sun Belt have a more prevalence than we're going to have in May. I think this has been a pretty consistent pattern.
There's a steady stream of patients.
Dr. Leslie Diaz, an infectious disease specialist, warns the more COVID circulates, the more it could mutate into dangerous strains. Disappointed, she agrees the virus might be here to stay.
I just don't see this going away. I agree with that statement.
Even as he keeps an eye out for more cases, DeSantis is sweeping away mask mandates and other COVID rules, angering some local leaders. The governor believes any future spike in cases can be blunted solely through COVID treatments and vaccinations.
That will definitely be mitigated by the vaccination immunity and the population immunity through infection.
Meanwhile, Florida vaccinations are slowing down, something DeSantis blames in part on vaccine hesitancy.
We've done well with senior vaccines. I think that as you get younger, there's been a little bit more hesitancy to take the vaccine.
Diaz, meanwhile, is having to convince her patients to get the shot and worries as a result we may never vanquish this virus.
It's very frustrating because we do have the control in our hands.